Hi, I am Johnson. This is the project that I have created during my training at 360 Solutions. My project is diet tracking application. This is my homepage. The homepage is a responsive one. The application also. It's a responsive application. I named my application as Track Me. First, the user need to sign up. User need to give the details, user ID and email. After giving the necessary details, they need to sign up. After that, they need to log in. For the very first time, when the user signed up, they need to give the necessary details like first name, like that. User need to give the details and the exercise level, how they active in the daily life, and user need to set the goal and give the proceed. After that, this is the user's dashboard. User can see that this is the menu details. User can update the details and add food and view the added food and filter and user can view the calories consumed on daily basis. We can first we add the user food. For adding the user food, user need to give the meal name, whether it should be a lunch, breakfast, or dinner, etc. I am giving the breakfast and I will give the food name. I am giving rice. For serving size, I am giving in grams, like 100 grams, and quantity 1. When I give the grade, the food will be added. Food added successfully. If I give any wrong food name or if I didn't enter any field, it will not submit the form, like the wrong food name. Now I am giving a wrong food name. It shows please enter a valid food name. Now we add another food for lunch. Serving size 100 gram, quantity 1. Now the food added successfully. Now we can view the food. This is the user added food. It shows the food name, quantity, and created on and units it, etc. When we click the view food button, it shows the nutrition details of the particular food. You can see calories, etc. In the view food details, we can delete the user food by clicking this delete option. Now I am deleting the breakfast food meal. It asks for confirmation. Again I give the delete. Now the food will be deleted. When I go to the view food list, now the food rice will be deleted. This is my filter option. This when I give certain calories, it will show the food above the calories. If I give the list the food which are above 50 calories, when I give the filter option, it will give the food name as biryani, which have the calories above 50. This calorie consumed option shows how many calories user consumed on present day. Calories consumed today is 142, and the user can update the details in this update option. It gives the previous details. Now I am updating my user last name to Alexa. Talking, and I am giving necessary details. Now I updated from my last name from A to Rocking. After the changes, the username will be updated. We can see this user profile logo. When I click this logo, we can view the user details. Now the user name has been updated. This is Alexa. Last name has changed from A to Talking, and the user session also maintained using the session ID. We can also refresh the session also maintained in this process. This button will go through the home page. When I give logout, when I press the logout button, it will log out the user and redirects to the home page. Thank you.